Kaying dorbar thawain ka jala megalia hakasi bakadu ka dorbar mangtingka ka khatnyo trik luber arjar arpuar kalarai bun wengno e ka jingkran uba adilba nangrum amali ka not shillong ha ka por bolon ra e ka breach of privilege notice persya wilampang kaying dorbar uba medba lingdo ka breach of privilege ka dei kamat ka bakado ya ka jingsakta ya ka hok jungnu nu dukhat ha ka ying dorbar but uba adilba nangrum ulawan ra ya ka dei kamat halok ka jingsak kantai ka megalia agricultural land regulation bill arjar arpuar ha ka dorbar mangtingka ka ying dorbar man ha ka pratrik luber arjar arpuar ha ka ni kasi kat bau ba adilba udang batai syapang kani kamat u doktor mukul sangma no yalam kaliang persya ka ying dorbar ulayang man persya ya kani kamat namar kam ya hap kat kum kor kum trikam bat penya ya ka dorbar Nolo kani uba perstun tensong sembut menirang ba kejala ulabu jingkeli kelayo meli ka not silong bau pun song nongrem na kinuki kendon an banwan ra ka breach of privilege namar ke jimam la uba adilbat ban ajubab uba perstun ula dawa ba ka breach of privilege kadai banlong persa kelayo nong thau an khanam bat banrap badai banweng ya ke jingkran uba adilbat na ke jingtho ka yeng dorbar ulam phang ulabu ke jingkeli ka yeng bat kasut na nong thau an kalami bakim ya hab ya kani
A brief explanatory statement on the bill that has brought as provided under Rule 71 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Accordingly, you could have requested to make a brief explanatory statement before breaking leave of the House for introduction of the bill. I had also allowed Sri George B. Lindo, member who has also brought a private member's bill on 10th March 2022. But there was no indication from your side to make any explanatory statement which I could have considered. Therefore, as provided under Rules 162 and 163 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I will now put the question before the House. The question is that privilege notice be taken into consideration. Those who are in favor say aye. Those who are against say no.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me,
The
sir.
noes have it. The noes have it. The motion is not carried, and the privilege notice is rejected by the House. Please take a seat. I'm on the Rule 314. Please take a seat. On the Rule 314, if any doubt arises as to the interpretation of any of the provisions of these rules, the decision of the Speaker shall be final. I also give my ruling. This privilege notice will not be a precedent.
Kam hadien ulam phang ula ay karai ban wengno la ne expunge yakani ka jingkran nong thau an na not shillong constituency.
Honourable members, under Rule 304 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of this August House, which says, if the Speaker is of the opinion that words have been used in debate which are defamatory or indecent or unparliamentary or undignified, he may in this discussion order that such words be expunged from the proceedings of the House. I hereby give my ruling that the entire speech of Sri Adilbat Nongrum, member, made by him during the privilege notice, today after question hour, may be expunged from the proceedings of the House, as many unparliamentary words and questioning the dignity of the chair were used by him during the course of his speech. This is my ruling.
Halo kani kamat mentirang ba kajalau konrad ke sangma ulong ba kalong kanuksa kabam itnan ha ka yeng bat kijing keno ilompang kam ya hap satya.
No, it has set a very wrong example. It has never happened in the House that this kind of words were used and allegations were used against the Speaker, and it's completely inappropriate. And I think all the members in the House have taken very serious note of it, and including the Honourable Speaker himself. And also, as I said, the rules, as was mentioned by the Deputy CM in charge of Parliamentary Affairs, that there are no rules on the basis of which you can bring up a privilege in the House against the Honourable Speaker. So it was very wrong, even from the point of view of the entire respect that one has to show to the chair. It was also wrong from the point of view of the rules. The rules were not followed. So we will decide on how to move forward in that. But as I said, it's completely unacceptable and inappropriate what was done.
Kanong thau an ka silong Dr. Amprilindo kalong baud khot ka yeng ulade bantho sa ka privilege committee bat kam danong rem ban suwanra yakatay kamat klem ki kandon penya ya ka yeng norban.
Kapaning kong habang le kanu ka kam hapo assembly ngi along guided mo dakata ka rules of procedure and conduct. Ti habang iyo ipede bakadon kum kata kajing wan lam jong kaway na kita ki matters ki ba tmu bet ban wan lam syakmat ikata ka breach of privilege against the speaker tingi iyo ina do sedang hiba kala long do bakla naman persya yung speaker do song no jong do ba tawaan umdam na kaway galantipan ban attack you lane ban challenge you like naka NC neka no confidence motion te nakabaki wan lam ya kanika breach of privilege kum kani ngas ngau ba na do dang stang hi kala don kajing bakla te shushu ban halor kata pade ngiyo ipat kajing pendon kam ye ki tien ki ba omla ban cha ban pendon kam ha yeng do bar thauan ka don ben ka direct attack ka direct accusation ya usong knoan ban katu kala walam kata kajing bam smong tenan namar ba 4 judon ko kani te ngidei ban kan mau ba si sen bala long MLA hi ngidei ban puli bahaya ki an ban habang iwan lam ya kanu ka mata lani kanu kajing ya tai hapo yeng dor ba tuan kum kinong ya lam ki bala sa je de ki pat ba ji sisang ngidei bani pikir ba bakanung don kata ka jingpen bakla jong ka jing smong tho jong kini ki an ki ba penyad ya ka yeng dor ba tuan tinga simet hinga sngo ba kalau long hono bakla bad hoon speaker ulasya ya kata kajing wan lam jong kata ka breach of privilege tinre wala uktip ru ba the authority of the decision of the speaker is final in any matter te kani kala de kajing penhika ye ki pateng ki banwan ba habang phiwi la sa jit kum ki long ya lam pekha ba people ye bahagi kita ki an nalor ka privilege motion le umdai persyak ru yung speaker mo umdan kaan ba don kum kata bala ya ra privilege persyak speaker privilege motion pi haplet ka privilege committee ba ti ha kajing shisha lada hapan shem ka privilege motion against anyone who pi privilege ko ka privilege committee but ha ka privilege committee le ka privilege motion persyak yung dorba shongkno jo ka yung dorba le umdam kini bangi ngiyo experience ngiyo hikay but kanjin dalam hal ada ki kanti ki bangi kren hapo yeng do ban ko ai dei ban dai thau yo wo ba namba kanom don pat katu kajing bam ikanat sabar namar ki pai bali ti ki sujit nangi ginong ya lamma kim tep ye kita ki an ki ba penyat ya ka kajing do ban ko ai
Uba proses di sok me amali kamalai lu ong baka jingwan ra uba adul bat kadai ki bakala parat bat dan bok bo lampang ru da ka jimbam sa siliang ula ailat panwan ra ya katai keman
pihak kabadai bat kadai privilege motion bora na kaliang joba dal bat persya yung speaker jongka makil di assembly pihak kabadai bat kani nakaliang ngais kamri tong nakaliang jonga ngais kamporo higi members jongka assembly laban ong ba nakaliang jong ba dalbat kami akan kum rule bat procedure men conduct ya ka business of house par pisot ko ang ni ha po jong assembly kitan ki rule and procedure kaban nakaliang jongi kalong strictly haban ya kat kum kini ki rule and procedure ti ha kabadi ha kajing siya nakaliang urudan kano kabandan kum sukun aka badai bat ka kajing conduct jong speaker house kabenta nang lej lada ban tho mata chairman jo privilege committee hi hangni mata kadon ka privilege committee ka banlet na ka ban page na ka banta mano members ka complain la ka day tag officer la ka day yang amadi la ka day speaker la yeno no mata ni ki minister haban ya ding ba jo ka privilege committee ti nakaliang jong ahi ka badi barkani ka jingora nakaliang jong bat nurum pasya speaker hi namar ba ka rule procedure kam sya tinggal umban nakaliang jong bat hila nakaliang jong hi kalong labakla api sungthu kalong pi hangni menang hamne hangni balawra men nakaliang speaker hi ka pausya men nakaliang speaker kalong ba di beriu di nari kalong bo ya ka rule ka procedure Di long tang lap ang ruban nakalian ju long transparent. Tidak ada kadai benda kalian ju kalau long very strict for the rule. Siapa nakalian ju la di benda kalian jong kalau ban reject pada advice office kalau bound for. Advice kalau ban malah reject ya ka mata ya kan petition jong nambar kami berul prosedur. Jika bangadon menong nakalian kejongahi kalau bah kejora jong nakalian berubah ke bakla. Kami akan kumgurulan prosedur. Di haju kapor nakalian jungi kalau ngim suku pa ngim suku ka ibat pelong nakalian coba ulbat kalau murah ini ke privilege mission against the speaker di suku ka jing sya kalau menakan bapin question kalau bapin question ya share speaker menurut pelaman apa house kalau ba speaker long overall kalau has got the power di ke board speaker kalau apa house kalau beri powerful diulah pensim kan untuk action nak bertajung no dek ega bama ngandakan juga pas sonat kalau bah kawai hak boleh speaker kalau i kajing ya kajing start kajing sapang juga pada kajing alam nong kajing transparent juga ya kaju ke poru nak kalian juga kalau bah umko ahikan uno kalau enggak akan untuk action pensim against member atau kata aku tu kalau syukur nak untuk mana marka ega bandakan yang adul bar kalau apa bukan kalau response nak kaburung ke pojong ke proseding jepsol
Uba redikton lingdo tongkar nong thau ai namokrat bat menteri sarkar jela ulong ba jingwara ba dul bat ya katei kaman kadai ke jing ngau jung uhi simet tang ba klem yai pat kat kum ki kendon pinya ya kai yeng dorbar
don kita ka breach of privilege harga ba im shim yo ra kita bill kum ke jing anu jungi tenre ke jing sotho jingi baro tengi sotho ba kamlong bermanra untuk persya yo speaker dan ke bermanra ya ke privilege persya yo speaker ini semua kejutan juga merwe langsung hab itu insyaallah ada bandon ke jingwanra ya ke no confidence motion speaker di bandon ke certain rules ke di bandra tinggi sudai itu jingwanra ke juga debat itu ke semuajuk isimet ke ba ngim subscribe baru entah ke tahu ni lah buat persya itu juga bila express ketubun bila express itu bat nagring jungan berwe ngasno kami hab ya tak jing mandra ya tu ke jing persya ya speaker kan mandra no confidence motion against ya speaker against ya ka syuki ya speaker de kalau dia bendon ki certain rules akaba lahaban yo ya kata ka majority kemudian tendre itu kalau marwe ke jing mandra ya ba ihi waga haus baru ibat opposition bat ruling ki express persya itu bat segmen berbalik lagi juga speaker la sini ruling bat expon no yaitu presiden maka don show on record kermen maka don kanam date kanam create ke presiden ya ka lawai juga house ya conduct ke rules and procedure of conduct of business apa house bat ke dignity juga assembly mekliah kan ini baik ba speaker ka chair kadiban yo ka full respect na barok ki members kan kanan ba tu kanam don ka kot hanu mar speaker ba ra ka ling ba expunge ya tu proceeding pi ha ka jing wanra ngas ko ban ong ba ka jing ba ka jing ailat jo speaker ka de ka jing sul musim ha ka ba ailat di insyaallah da ailat da la reject pa ba no piang ka song under ki ke rules ke badan baru ya ke bawah dia jadi kan dia kerja ham sibuk pun susah ya ke ailat dia punya time dia mereka itu ke subiang hi mana dia bu ailat berkansa put sa katu pede ke pat presiden hak ba rasai lesir kini ke di oksa bahar ta kapor kata la leuta tendre ke right decision ya bos speaker ba ai ke ruling mene mak expunge na presiden te kemen bakar kan ban on bakar create president ya kata ke jeng